Hi guys, so I'm gonna be filming this makeup look today. It's like a hot pink sunset vibe type of look. Today I use the Morphe, what is it called? This box. The Morphe Social Butterfly Palette. It's part of their holiday collection and I actually really love it. I use these colors right here. So if you wanna know how I did this look, keep watching. Sorry the audio is a little weird in the intro, but first we're gonna start off by priming our eyelids. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C6. Just using my ring finger to blend that in. I kind of put a little bit more than I usually do because I want the colors to be really vibrant since I'm using bright colors in this look. Next, I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 brush and I'm gonna get the color Latergram, and that's gonna be our transition shade. I noticed that when I was using this, it wasn't showing up as vibrant as I wanted, so I was using tapping motions just to get the color onto there. You can see in this next clip that I have tape on the edge of my eye, and I do that so when I'm done I can have a straight sharp edge. So after I'm done packing the color on there, I just proceed to blend everything out. Next we're going to be taking the Morphe E17 and we're going to be getting the color Besties, which is a hot pink, and we're going to focus that more into our crease. I'm just doing the same thing, tapping motions and blending it out. Then using the same brush that I used for that orange shade, I'm just going to blend these two colors together so everything's seamless. Next, I'm going to get the Makeup Revolution concealer that I used as my base and the Morphe M432 brush, and I'm not really going to cut my crease but kind of just put this on my lid because I want the lid color to really pop some more. This part doesn't really have to be as clean. You can see that I'm kind of just making sure that it stays on the lid, but the actual line itself doesn't have to be as sharp because we are going to blend everything out. So with my finger, I'm going to take the color Beige. It's a shimmery fuchsia magenta hot pink type of color, and add that to where we put the concealer. Then I'm taking a small shader brush just to get into the hard to reach places that my finger can't reach. Now taking that same brush that we used to apply that hot pink crease shade, I'm just adding a little bit more just to deepen up the crease and blend everything together. Then I'm taking the brush I used for the orange and I'm just going to overall blend all the edges for a more seamless look like before. Now taking the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker, I'm going to be aligning my eyes. I did that off camera, but then I saw that it was messed up. Yeah, in this moment I knew I fucked up. But it's nothing that concealer can't fix, so I'm taking that same concealer I've been using and the same brush I used to kind of cut out the crease. And I'm just going to clean up the edges, clean up the wing, do that on the other side as well. I know it looks kind of weird right now, which is why now I'm going to be doing my under eye concealer, and it's going to be all bright and all blended after that. And I'm using a Morphe E8 brush here. I love this for blending out under eye concealer, or basically concealer in general. You'll see that I use this for all over my face. I don't normally put concealer on my forehead or my nose. If anything, I only put that little just so it's not only bright under my eyes. So since my under eye concealer is on there, I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. I'm taking that same hot pink color and I'm just going to apply that on my bottom lash line. So after I'm done blending out that hot pink, I'm going to take that orange color we use as a transition shade and I'm going to apply that right below, then blend everything together. So once that's done, I'm going to continue on with my face. I'm going to just take the Morphe Y7 and get my Bare Minerals powder foundation. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face, buffing it out down to my neck. And yeah. So next, I'm going to be contouring with the Morphe R10 brush using the Anastasia contour kit. And I'm focusing more towards the back end of my cheekbones just so it's more sharper there. So using a Morphe M437 brush, I'm just taking like a brownish muted pink blush, and I'm adding that right above where I put my contour shade. Now taking any gold highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. I totally forgot to highlight my cheekbones in this makeup look, so yeah, we're not going to see me do that. So I was at CVS today and I saw these new Remy lashes by Ardell, so I thought I'd try them out. They're not a bad pair of lashes, especially for the drugstore. So yeah, I'd actually recommend these, and they're way better than the go-to Demi Wispies. Real quick before the actual tutorial ends, I just want you guys to keep watching till the end of the video. I explain to you guys how the eyeshadow actually stained my lids. Oh my god, I look so scary, but I actually just washed my face, took my makeup off. Literally, I used eye makeup remover. I washed my face with soap. I used makeup remover again, and the pink eyeshadow stained my eyelids. I just want to let you guys know, I know it's not uncommon for like red pigmented eyeshadows to stain your lids, so I should have expected it, but I didn't know, so I thought I'd include this in this video for those who do end up trying out this look. Oh my god, it looks so bad. So yeah, thanks for watching my video.